Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today, you can see I'm wearing t-shirt. Because I'm wearing t-shirt, I don't know where to position my mic. I don't know where if my position is okay. Let's take it like that, okay? I'm just wearing t-shirt for today. I'm just home. I will not be going anywhere, so I decided to just wear t-shirt. And positioning my mic is a little difficult with the t-shirt. I don't know where to put it, either here or there or there. I don't know. But let me just put it here, okay? Hope it's cool. Okay, today we'll be doing another live training video here. So since I'm home, I decided to record one live scalping video for you all to see. So that when you're also trading, you'll be able to trade the same way, okay? You'll be able to look at the chart and analyze it the same way as we professional traders, we trade from home as we do. So you also avoid losing your money, okay? So without wasting my time, let's go to the charts and let's begin with the currency trade meter. You know that we always trade with the currency trade meter. You don't do anything without the currency trade meter. So first, go to forexfactory.com to check if there is going to be any news updates, okay? So you can take your phone or you can take your computer and you can go and check. But I've already checked it, so I'm not going to check it again. So let's begin with the currency trade meter and see what the currency trade meter is going to give us today. Okay, so on the currency trade meter today, as you can see today, you can see what the H4, on the H4 we can see that H1 is strong. We can see the yen is strong, can you see? And the USD is weak on the H4. USD is weak, yen is strong, which means we can either trade USD with the yen, or let's see which again can we pair. Can also pair the Swiss. The Swiss is also strong, can you see? It's strong on the H4, and we can also pair the Swiss and the USD. We can also pair the NZD. NZD is also weak. You can also pair the NZD with any of these guys at the top. You can pair any of them, okay? But today I feel like I should, let's see, which one should we do? Which one should we trade? Like, guys, which one should we take? Should we take the trending or ranging? I think the other time we did trending, right? So today, let's do ranging. So today, let's trade the Swiss and the yen, which means you're combining the two strong ones. If you combine the Swiss and the yen, the Japanese yen, then what are you looking for? You're looking for a sideways mode, right? Because if both of them are strong, which the market is likely to going to range today, so we are going to look for sideways market mode, okay? Let's look for sideways market mode today so that you all be able to also grab that concept. Because that time I did about trending, so today let's search for sideways so that you also know how to trade sideways market. So we are going down to either M15 or M1, okay? Either H1, M2 or M1, and because I'm scalping, I cannot go to the H1 or go to the M15, right? I can just go to the M1 so that I can do screen recording for you all to see. So my applications are ready. My applications are ready for me to just do my screen recording, okay? So on the currency trade meter today, as you can see, we are going to yen with the Swiss, right? So let's open our chart and let's go to the Swiss and the yen. Guys, but before we go, if you are new here or you are old here, like the video, okay? Hit the like button, or if you are new here, then just subscribe to my channel just to help me grow my channel, okay? Thank you for doing that. Are you done? Have you subscribed? Hit it, let's go on. Okay, thank you. So let's open the Swiss yen chart. Okay, so on the Swiss yen chart, as you can see, the market is ranging perfectly. Can you see? So we have to draw our support areas. You can see there's support down here. There's also support up there. So let me also draw one more up here. You must sure that you always position your support zones well, because if you miss a perfect entry, then you are going to get stopped out, okay? Make sure that you position your support areas well. You can see there's also support zones in this middle here, but that's not what you're going to draw. We are going to use for the top and the down, okay, the top and the bottom support zones, just as we trade demand and supply. But now, as you can see, the market is almost, we are lucky, we don't have to wait for long. The market is almost touching the bottom support zone. So I'm going to put my buy order immediately. My buy order, I don't wait for any confirmation, because there is support and resistance. I don't wait for any confirmation. So my stop loss targets will be, I'm risking $300 of my account. This is a small account for scalping, so I'm risking $300, which means that if I lose, I'm losing 300. If I gain, I'm gaining $600. But I think I entered the wrong position siding, so this position is very small. I have to enter again. So I'm entering 2 trades equal, which will all equal to $300. Okay, so 150 equals to $300. I just want to risk $300 of my account, so I have to set my stop loss first. Okay, so now it's time to set my profit target. My profit target, is that where I have to put it? No, I don't have to put it here. Okay, I have to put it down. Yes, you don't have to go far. Put it 1 into 2 risk reward, not too far. Don't be too greedy. Okay, because the market can behave anyway. So I have to drag the other one too. So now both of them, if both of them win, they're going to give me $300, which is $600. But if they also lose, they're going to lose 150, making me lose just $300. So as you can see, the market is moving downwards, but don't be shaking. Okay, it means that the market is about to log me out just immediately. This is 1 minute time frame, so it's very fast sometimes. But don't be shaking. If you're a professional trader, just know how to control your emotions. So let's just wait and see. Guys, it's like it's going to take me out immediately. You see how it is? Yes, trading can be like that. That's why you must always set your stop loss every day. Set your stop loss, because when you don't set your stop loss and the market comes and keep eating into your account, you are exposing your whole account, and you shouldn't be doing that. But people, what they do is that they keep moving their stop loss, or they don't set stop loss at all. Don't be doing that. Always set stop loss. Okay, always set stop loss. Make sure you always set your stop loss. Now, as you can see, I'm already in negatives, but am I afraid? No. Why should I be afraid? Because I know definitely some of the trades will be wins, some of them will be losses. So if this is a losing trade, the next time I'll just take a winning trade. Okay, or like, you can't tell if this trade is going to be losing or win. You can't tell, but I'm just recording it, so let's see what happens. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it's now in my favor. Can you see what happened? Have you seen what just happened? Now it has turned blue. It's now in my favor, and it's going to the direction I predicted. So let's wait and see. So what I have to do is just to wait for the market to hit my profit targets, and then I'll be out of the market. I don't have to be rushing. Either it hit my stop loss or it hit my profit target. Okay, so let's wait and see. I'll just pause the recording app, because it can record the whole 30 minutes at once, or maybe the whole 1 hour at once. I just have to be pausing it, then I'll come back and re-pause it again so that it will record the trades, because recording live trades is a little difficult. So I'll just be pausing it and resuming it. So let me pause it and resume it later. Okay, so we can see that the market is still going in my favor. The market is in my favor. Let's see. Always, when you enter a trade, you don't have to care whatever happens. Okay, how the market is going to get there, you don't care. All what you have to care is that the market is either going to your direction or against your direction. After you are out of the trade, make sure that you don't enter again immediately. If you want to enter another setup, let's say you're out of the trade. Let's say this trade becomes a losing trade, and then I'm out of the trade. If I want to enter another trade, I won't enter immediately, because I have to wait a little. You have to wait for emotions to come down a little, so that you settle your mind, your eyes are clear before you begin to analyze another market or analyze the same market and trade again. Don't be revenge trading. Okay, so always wait for your profit target to be hit or your stop loss to be hit. If your stop loss is hit, don't cry. It's part of trading. Trading, your purpose is to get at least half of your trades to be profitable. At least if you're able to get 50% of your trades to be profitable, which is 50% win rate, it's more than enough, right? You can be very profitable with 50% win rate. But as you become very good with it, you can get 60% win rate, 70% win rate. But what I'm trying to say that at least if you're a beginner, gauge for at least 50% win rate. Okay, 50% win rate, and then you see that you become very profitable. Now, as you can see, guys, the market is almost taking me out, almost taking my profit target. Hooray! Hooray, this is going to be a very easy winning trade because I think it's demand and supply. So we're just moving faster. So the market is almost at my take profit target. We just end this live recording very soon. Let's wait and let it take me out, and then we end this video recording. Yes, can you see it's almost at my take profit target? Can you see? Yes, I always have to wait for my profit target to hit. Okay, I cannot just close it because it's almost at my profit target. I want to see the profit target hit by itself. I want to see it hit by itself. So right now it's still at $600. I can decide to close it, or I have to wait for it to hit. But I always like for it to hit because that's where I set my profit target. So it must hit. That's all. I don't move it. I don't do anything to it. I don't close it. It must hit. So let's wait and see. Almost, guys. Yes, almost taking me out. Almost profit target hit. Oh, it's coming down. Good. This is where most of you guys get a little scared. When the market is coming down, then you start to get scared. Then you close your profit target. So let's say that you were targeting $600, as I've targeted right now, and the market get to 550, and the market is coming down to 500. Then you are afraid. Then you close your trade. If you close your trade like that, you've messed up your statistics because your statistics says that you risk 1 to make 2, which means if you're losing $300, then you must definitely always make $600. That's what your statistics says. Don't be messing up, because if you're afraid and you close the trade right now where it has gotten to, if you decide to be afraid like it's coming down, so you're afraid and you close it right now, which means you've given some of your profit to the market. The day you're going to have a losing trade, won't you lose all your $300? You're going to lose all your $300 or your $200. You're going to lose all. Why is it that you don't have to get the patient to wait for the whole profit target to be reached? So I don't care what about the market is happening. You can see the market is trying to come down. I'm not fearful. I'm not afraid, because I know that it can either hit my profit target or it can take me out. I don't care. I'm just following my system. What my system says, that's what I follow. Okay. So let's wait and see what will happen. It can still, where it has gotten to, it can still come down and take me out. I don't care. I don't want to mess my statistics up. I always make sure that I make 1:2. That's all. 1:2. So the market is playing around. So I will just pour the recording up and resume later. Okay guys, as you can see, the market is back again. It's like it's almost hitting my profit target now. I will still not take it because it has not hit where I set my profit target. Yes, I will still not take it. Even if it left it $1 for it to hit, I will wait for it to hit. That's discipline, guys. That's discipline. You must always be disciplined. You must discipline yourself when trading. Okay, trading is the only job that makes you face your own discipline. Nobody tells you to be disciplined, because if you're not disciplined, then you're going to restore your account by yourself. So you have to be disciplined. This is what you call discipline. You wait, you put your hands down until your profit target is hit. Even if it comes out to take me out, I don't care. So let me pause the recording app again. If not, it will start freezing. So let me just pause the app. This is an app I'm using to record the screen. Let me just pause it and come back later. Okay guys, so can you see what the market did? The market was almost at my take profit target. Now it has come down almost. It came down almost to half of my profit was gone, right? But I will still not take profit, because that's not, as I'm saying, that's not my system. That's not what my system says. So the market is going up again. Let's wait and see what happens. Maybe it will come down and take me out. I don't care. Somebody will say, oh, you should have taken your profit. You should have taken your profit here. Oh, you shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. But if you're a professional trader, you must follow a complete trading system. You don't go against your trading system. Even if it lets you $2 or $5 or $10 for your account to be, for your take profit to hit, you have to wait for it to hit. You follow specific trading system. As you can see now, now it's almost at my take profit target. It's taking me out now. So let's see. Let's hope that it doesn't come down again, so that it won't delay this recording. Let's hope that it doesn't come down again. So have you seen? You shouldn't be afraid. Always, never be afraid, guys. Can you see what happened? If you are a beginner trader, you'll be shaking, right? But I'm not shaking, because I know that the market can either take me out or give me profit. That's all. So it's almost taking me out. It's almost taking my profit target. Let's wait again. Let's see. Maybe it will come down again, or it might not come down again. in trading, the chart can mess you up, guys. It can scare you. Okay, the chart can really scare you in trading. So don't be scared. You must know what you're doing. Okay, it's not about the design of the chart or what the chart is trying to tell you. It's about what you, the trader, you know that what is what I'm doing. You must know what you're doing. It's not the chart. The chart shouldn't scare you. The chart should never scare you, guys. Have you seen? Now it's back. It's almost taking my profit target. Now I can decide to take my profit target here, or I can decide to still wait for it to still hit. As I said, I must always make sure it's hit. Good, guys. One is hit. One of the trades is hit. So one more to hit. One more to go. Good. Now, guys, all of them are hit. Now we are out. We have successful trading. Now, profit ready, $600 and something. And have you seen? You must always be patient and wait for your trading to execute by itself. The market should do its own thing. You don't care. Okay. If the market does its own thing, you don't care. Okay, guys. So as you all saw, trading is over. Okay. You should never ever be afraid when the trade is going against your direction. When you enter any market, when you enter any chart that you're trading, either you're going up or you're going down, either you're buying or you're selling, wait for your take profit target to be hit, or wait for your stop loss to be hit. That's all. Don't be afraid and don't mess your statistics up. Okay, I've always been telling you that trading is a game of statistics, which means that you can't mess your statistics up, because you must be able to count all the winning trades and all the losing trades. Don't take profit target somewhere and don't take stop loss somewhere, and don't mess things up, guys. Don't mess things up. It's a game of statistics, which means that you must know when to take your profit target, when to take your stop loss, and you always have consistent risk reward ratio. And when you enter any trade, think of your risk first. You ask yourself, how much am I willing to lose if the trade goes against me? You see that I always set my stop loss first before my take profit target. Yes, that's how professional traders will trade. But amateurs, what they do is that they rather think of how much they can make first. They don't think of how to protect their account, so they end up blowing their account. That's what makes the difference between a professional trader and a new trader or an amateur. Because if you're an amateur, then you cannot have the emotion, resilience to wait. Can you imagine if you are the one who is trading this? Did you see what happened? It went almost at my take profit target, and what happened? It came back, it was misbehaving and did its own thing, guys. Your analysis cannot push the market up or down. Your analysis does not do anything to the market. The market can rather move up or can move down. You cannot control the market. So after you just make your analysis, just leave the market to do its part and just watch it. You are the manager of your trading system. You must follow a trading system if you are trading. Okay? You must follow a trading system if you are trading. If not, you are not going to be profitable as a trader. So take some lessons from this video. Go to your chart. Practice. You see the charts we traded, you see the patterns. I waited where I entered. I didn't rush to enter. Have you seen? I didn't rush to enter. You shouldn't also be rushing to enter. And you also shouldn't take your profit too high. Your profit should be at a very good place. Okay, if not, you're always going to get a lot of losses. Can you see after I take my profit, see the market also came down again? The market can do its own thing, just that you must be stable. You must follow particular trading system, particular trading criteria. If not, you don't take any trade. So that will be all for this video. This is Owas, your mentor. Take care of yourselves and see you next time. Bye.